Mugomo wa arigitani hamwe na mirurungano iria makoretwo magitabania kwa ihinda yaya gukorwo ari o wira wa tuhu. Thirikari riu ikiuga gutire mbeca cia micaara iria makoretwo makiendekithia. Hindi ya gikaro na andiki a mohoro, muikariri giti wa kamiti ya kunyabara micaara ya aruti wira a thirikari Lynn Mengich augite bururi nduri na uhoti wa kuriha micaara eno kuona kuri na maundu maingi thirikari irabatara gukinyaniria.
Why would part of the public officers be below 40, others are at 100, and those at 100 are asking for more? Is that fairness? And those are the issues that we must think through so that we do not end up with another return to work formula that is not sustainable, that speaks to unfairness across the public sector.
Akiaria hindi ya gikaro giki, Minister wa uruti wa wira wa muingi Moses Kuria augite wabici yake riu niyo ritongoragia ngirimiti o yothe irekanirirwo gatagati ga thirikari na ciama ngurani cia aruti a wira ikinya riria ritanyitwo gukinya muthia migomo iria koretwo kuo.
Going forward, only my ministry is going to be responsible for negotiating CBAs because we are the HR experts of the government of the Republic of Kenya. And so therefore, once I get the CBA, I go to SRC, this one health, this one agriculture, this one teachers, this one universities. Then you can have some semblance of some order in this place.
Kuria augite mamwe ma maundu maria arigitani makoretwo magithingiriria ta marihi ma interns ti undu thirikari ingikinyaniria.
First of all, how can an intern have a salary? It's a stipend. It's not a salary. I wish I got better news, but that is the news. So I'm just asking our doctors to really consider health of our people. They are your parents, they are your sisters, they are your brothers, they are children, they are spouses, but also they are the health.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, Minister wa uruti wa wira Florence Bore nioritie arigitani gucokereria wira-ini akimuria kuhe thirikari kanya ka mĩario niguo gucaria kihonia kia mirurungano iria makoretwo magitabania. Thiini wa ndumiriri kuri nyumba cia mohoro, Bore ataririe ati kuri mitaratara iria ibatie kurumirirwo gukinyia na guthikiriria mateta, akiuga ataramu a urigitani makoretwo magithie na mbere na mirurungano na mugomo mugaru na watho kuona igoti niriekireire mukana mugomo wao mweri muhituku. Handu-ini ha KAMITII TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.